unboxed the day. It's the very next day. We unboxed it. We're getting it all ready. Here's some of the attachments. Right here. We have it all separated. Right here, that's what it looks like. We put the drill on it. It comes with a little ball for the crane. It's like claw machine. It has this little wire that plugs into this hole that leads down to that. We have to charge this thing for 5 hours. The battery is right over there, connected to the computer. We're charging it. This is the name. This looks really realistic. Yeah, this is basically it. Put that back. This is actually metal. See? Here, let me show you. Down so I can show you. This is metal. This is metal. Yes. That's metal. That in this drill, jackhammer I mean, is metal. And this just unplugs right here from that. Just plugs in right there. Bam, just like that. You can actually position this before you get it out of the box. You cannot move this. If you try it, you're going to break it. It's hollow. Here's an overhead view. Yeah, the box is over there. Yeah. This is how you detach it. Right here on this side, you'll see these. There's 2 of them. You don't want to unscrew that right there. You want to keep that on. You want to keep this part right here on, because that doesn't come off. These 2, though, do come off. They just pop right out. As you can see on the other side, there's these little things. It looks like it takes a flathead screwdriver. It doesn't. You just push on it, and it pops out.
There's an 18-pack if you want that, I think.
When it comes out, this little bolt right here should be popping out. You ready? Just pushed it in. Yeah, this thing is really cool. At 6 today, I'm going to make a video on this. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's basically it for the video. Oh, yeah. That's my sister.
You can see where
She doesn't want to be on camera, but I'm going to put her on camera. Hello. Say hello to the YouTubers. That's Toby. You've seen him in my other episode. That's my Mokoto tank. This actually does work. That I don't have the back to it, so I just use that. Yep.
Here, come on. 4 to 8 weeks.
Can you guys still see? I'll put you in my pocket. Ready?
Brad, Brad, we're watching something.
Yeah, my mom just yelled at me. Anyway. That's basically it. So yeah, gonna be working on that soon. It's funny how it comes with a basketball, not just the boulder. So, yeah. Peace. See you in the next video.